If you're wondering whether ClickFunnels or Landingi is the better landing page software, you're in the right place. Stick with me for the next few minutes, because I'll break down each platform's strengths and weaknesses and help you decide which one truly deserves your attention. By the end of this video, you'll have the information you need to make the right choice for your business or marketing campaign. Let's start with ClickFunnels. Known for its all-in-one marketing funnel software, ClickFunnels has been around for a while and is often seen as a go-to choice for many marketers. It's packed with features that allow you to create entire sales funnels, not just landing pages. Now, if you're someone who wants everything under one roof, email marketing, affiliate management, payment gateways, ClickFunnels could be a solid option. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. The pricing is on the higher side, especially when you add in all the upsells. You're paying not just for landing pages, but a lot of features you might not need if your main focus is just creating high-converting landing pages. Next thing, usability. While ClickFunnels is fairly user-friendly, the learning curve is still a bit steep. You can create funnels, but customizing them to the level you might want takes some time and patience. Plus, it doesn't have the most intuitive design interface. If you're just looking for a simple, clean landing page with minimal effort, ClickFunnels might feel like overkill. Now, let's talk about Landingi. If you're in the market for a landing page builder that is simple and dedicated to landing pages only, Landingi might be the more attractive option. With a drag-and-drop builder that's much more intuitive than ClickFunnels, Landingi lets you create high-converting landing pages without feeling overwhelmed by too many options. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, Landingi's interface is straightforward and easy to navigate. But while Landingi shines in ease of use, it doesn't quite stack up to ClickFunnels when it comes to the advanced features. Landingi lacks the comprehensive funnel-building tools that ClickFunnels offers. If you need upsell pages, email sequences, or affiliate management, you'll have to look elsewhere. And like ClickFunnels, Landingi's pricing can be a bit confusing with multiple plans, so it might not always be the most cost-effective solution for those just looking for a landing page builder. The fourth thing to consider is integrations. ClickFunnels integrates with a wide variety of third-party apps and tools, everything from email marketing services to payment processors. However, the number of integrations and the complexity of them can sometimes be a headache. You might find that certain features, like custom integrations, aren't as seamless as you'd like. Landingi, on the other hand, integrates with most of the major marketing tools, but the range is narrower. If you're looking for a super deep, complex set of integrations with tools you use on a daily basis, ClickFunnels has the edge here, but it can feel bloated if you only need a few key integrations. Now, one last point, customer support. ClickFunnels is known for its extensive community and knowledge base, but the quality of support you get depends largely on the plan you choose. If you're on a basic plan, expect longer response times. Landingi also has solid customer support with a responsive team, but it's not as large or as well known as ClickFunnels community, which can be a downside if you're looking for lots of user-generated content or tutorials. So, which is the best landing page software? Both ClickFunnels and Landingi have their merits. ClickFunnels is great if you need more than just landing pages, but it can feel like overkill if that's all you're after. Landingi, on the other hand, is simpler and more streamlined, but lacks some of the advanced funnel building features. However, if you want a landing page builder that strikes a better balance between simplicity, features, and cost without the bloat of ClickFunnels or the limitations of Landingi, there's a better alternative I recommend. After testing out both platforms, I've found a more streamlined, user-friendly solution that doesn't break the bank. If you're ready to try it out, be sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description below. You'll get access to all the features without any commitments, and it's only available through our link. So, don't wait. Check it out and see for yourself why it might just be the perfect landing page software for your needs.